In this demonstration, we will compare between complete and incomplete combustion of alkanes. Natural gas contains the alkane methane, CH4. For complete combustion to take place, there must be oxygen gas. We will start with a limited supply of oxygen gas. So in this case, we have some oxygen gas that will burn with methane. The products are carbon dioxide, CO2, water vapor, H2O, and carbon monoxide, CO. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Let's increase the supply of oxygen a little bit. So notice how the color of the flame changed. The yellow color of the flame indicates that combustion is incomplete, so the supply of oxygen isn't sufficient. Now we have some blue color in the flame, and this is because we increased the supply of oxygen gas. If we take a look at the products, they are still the same: carbon dioxide, water vapor, and carbon monoxide. However, the amount of carbon monoxide produced decreases, whereas that of carbon dioxide increases. Let's add more oxygen. So now some carbon monoxide is produced, whereas more carbon dioxide is produced, and the color of the flame is blue. We will supply a large quantity of oxygen gas until the combustion is complete. How did we know that this is a complete combustion? Because the color of the flame is blue, and this indicates complete combustion of methane or any alkane. The only products are carbon dioxide and water vapor.